Hello everyone, Small Farm 6710 and today we're doing Green Hill Farm Day 2018-7. So, lots going on today. Start of hedgecutting season, so we're getting on with that, and there's lots more going on. So, yeah, so here I would nearest one of the fields around the farm here. We have the 7810 on the hedge cutter. We're just making a start doing our fields, as during winter the ground will be fair bad, so we're doing as much field work as we can to not leave much of a track on the field. So yeah, he's just cracking on with that job there. Should be finished not too soon, not too long. 80/70's come back from a job as we got rained off, so we'll be going back later on to do that job, or maybe tomorrow if the weather holds. And then Farmer Brown and Daniel just bringing in the cows. Going to start milking. Massey Ferguson 680's parked in the machinery shed there. Doesn't need to be doing anything today. And then the International 956 XL is just on the header trailer there. Jonas is going to be replacing a few knives on the header there as a rock hit him. County 1474 is on the low loader, and just has the Hitachi, which was lying out there in the field for dozens of years. But yeah, that's just, we're giving it, well, PJ's is buying it off us, and he got a good deal, so he's going to be restoring it and selling it on. But yeah, so there's a good few things wrong with it. The hydraulic rams need to be resealed and all sorts of stuff. Obviously a respray and stuff, so new tracks. Numerous things wrong with it. Here in the reclaim field we have all the furze gone, and we're just starting draining it now. So there's the JCB loading the JCB fast track up. We just need to do that little bit of draining there, and there's a spring off in the corner of the field, but we're not going to do that. We're not going to start messing with that. And then this John Deere here, we're not sure who we're going to give this to, but probably the breakers yard if no one wants to come up and buy it off us. Here in one of the fields that are away from the farm, we have a T6. This is the beef farmers, so they're very fond of their New Hollands now. So T6 180 on a K low loader. Then they have their New Holland teleporters loading up the straw. As you can see, they have the all lined up here, all the bales lined up. Not much going on the road there. Sheep in PJ's yard, and then yeah, there's a JCB just waiting for a trailer. They're just after a stop for tea, so they're just getting back into it. So that's about it for today's video, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment and subscribe, and please comment down below and what you think of the videos, and yeah, thanks for watching and have a good day. Bye for now.